Hey everyone, it's Miss Yaden. I thought I would just make a silly little video to help you guys practice counting coins. And I have 3 helpers. Helper 1, helper 2, helper 3. And what I did is I have some dog treats here. We have some treats worth 10 cents, some worth 25 cents, and some hot dogs worth $1. So we're gonna see if these guys have enough to get some treats. Sit. Good boy. So our first dog, this is Ollie. Ollie wants to buy a treat for 10 cents. And he has this coin right here. So let's see if first we can identify this coin. Do you know what it is? It's a dime. And a dime is worth 10 cents. So that's enough to buy a treat. Good boy, Ollie. Now next up, we have Ram. He wants to buy that same treat worth 10 cents. He has these 2 coins. Let's see, does he have enough? First, you have to figure out what coin it is. That's a nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. So to count up to see what Ram has, you have to count by 5s. Let's see, 5, 10. Oh, he has 10 cents. Looks like he gets that treat. Sit. Good boy, Ram. Okay, last but not least, this is Bandit. Now, Bandit has some pennies. So let me get it ready real quick. Now, I told you what it is, but if I didn't, a penny, remember, is that copper coin, looks a little different. And it's worth 1 cent. So let's see. Let's see if he has enough. So if a penny's worth 1, you have to count by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So does he have enough to get a 10-cent treat? No. How many more does he need? He has 7. He needs to get to 10. Let's see. 7, 8, 9, 10. He needs 3 more cents. I bet we could get him to do a trick to earn that last 3 cents. Bandit. Sit. Shake. Nope. Shake. Ram shook for him. Bandit, shake. There he goes. He finally did it. I think that's worth 3 cents. Here you go, Bandit. Okay, so that was the 10-cent treat. Now we're going to go for the 25-cent treat. So to get this one, they've got to pay 25 cents. So let's see who's up first. I think Ollie's up first. Alrighty, Ollie. Let's see what you have. So Ollie has some different coins this time. See if you can identify what coins Ollie has. Okay, let's see. He has some different coins. Looks like he has some dimes and some pennies. So when you have different coins, I like to count the bigger ones first. A dime's worth 10 cents and a penny is worth 1 cent. So we're going to count at the dimes first. 10, 20. Then we're going to switch to the pennies. Let's see. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 cents. That's just what he needed. So we're going to get him one of these good treats. He's down here. Good boy, Ollie. Kind of blends into my couch right there. Okay, next up, we have Ram. So again, he's trying to get this treat worth 25 cents. Give me a second to get Ram's coins out here. Okay, so first we have to figure out what coins Ram gave me. Take a second. Do you know what coin that is? That's a dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. So let's see. 10, 20, 30. 30 cents. Now, he wanted a biscuit worth 25 cents. So he actually has more money than he needs. Do you know how much change he would get back if I was going to give him some change? He has 30 cents, but he only needed 25 cents. Well, you could count up. You could put 25 in your head and go up to 30. Let's see, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. He would get 5 cents back. I could give him a nickel back or maybe 5 pennies. But he did get the treat. All my helpers are like laying down here. Here you go, Ram. Okay. So now, last but not least, Bandit. He did something a little different. he just gave me 1 coin. And this was the coin he gave me. Do you know what coin this is? Look closely. Maybe I'll turn it. That's a quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. So he's able to get his treat too. Okay, the last one is for $1, and that's the best treat because it's a whole hot dog here. So the dogs need $1 to be able to get this treat. Ollie here is up first. And he's giving me some coins. See if while I'm putting them down, I know my hand's moving a little bit. It's hard to do 2 things at one time. But see if you can figure out what coin it is while I'm putting them down. What coin is that? That's a dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. So you count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, $1 is 100 cents. So we know that he has $1 right here. Let's see how many dimes it takes to make $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dimes. That's because 10 tens equals 100. Just like 10 dimes equals $1. Ooh, he has enough. That's going to be one happy dog. Here we go. All right, next up is Ram. Now, Ram's also going with dimes, but instead of 10 dimes, he did something a little different. 2, 3. Okay. So he's got dimes, and he's got some pennies. Ooh, and a nickel. So first, let's count up our dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now, a nickel's worth 5, so we can go 90, 95. And then our pennies, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 100 cents equals $1. So Ram has earned his treat. There you go, Ram. Last but not least, Bandit here. And Bandit did, again, something completely different. He's bringing those quarters back out again. And he gave me 4 quarters. Now, quarters are a little tricky because they're 25 cents. It's kind of hard to count by 25s. So it's just something you kind of come to remember, that 4 quarters equals $1. Just like when we do fractions and we say 1 whole is 4 parts or quarters, that's kind of where that comes from. 4 quarters equals $1. So let's see, he has 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. So that's equal to $1. So last but not least, Bandit. There you go. All right, guys. Well, I hope you had fun. It was just something fun to do. See if you can practice counting up coins at home, especially dimes and pennies. That's our goal in first grade, is to be able to count up dimes and pennies together. All right. See you next time. Bye.